immortal scum, including so-called partners. You stand in the presence of power!
Power? That's your name? Those horns, wait, hold up! A fiend devil hunter's gotta be breaking some kind of rule! I guess it's fine. Thought you were full of it when you said you wasted kindness on me. But you are nice! Cause when I fight a dude, it's nuts or nothing! I'm nuts!
Just went for the balls. Nothing else. Oh, balls.
A testicle devil appeared and went apeshit on his nutsack, ma'am.
No, he's lying. He made that entire thing up.
Like it?
Whoa! It's fan-friggin-tastic! Alright, the porn is secured.
Don't sleep on the toilet!
Is she running for a finish line too? Oh, Miss Makima. I really want to touch her boobs.
Everyone's serious about this but you.
I understand what he meant now! And I found one or two things I'm serious about. The goal to give my life purpose is melons!
As in the fruit?
Idiot.
Holy shit.
Mortals, behold! The glory of the kill is mine!